At home or away, something I always keep close at hand is my box of quick-setting glues.
One thing about having kids in the house is that something always seems to get broken. Now this is a marble soap dish that my son Max dropped on the floor and broke into about 4 pieces. Let me show you how I'm going to fix it.
First, I cut an oval from a plastic storage bag that's roughly the shape of the soap dish. I place the plastic down first to prevent any adhesive that might seep through from gluing the soap dish to the surface underneath. Then, I carefully assemble the broken pieces.
Now as you can see, all of those pieces went back together pretty well. Now I want to hold them in position while I glue them. And to do that, I'm going to use this. This is just modeler's clay. Let me take off a small piece right here, kind of roll this into a coil. And then I'm just going to place it around the edge of this dish here, just to keep everything from sliding around. Now this is a super thin, instant setting cyanoacrylate glue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to the standard tip here this very fine dispensing nozzle. Just slips right over like that. Now see, let's come down here, I'll show you. This is just going to put out a tiny little bit of glue, right, just like that. So what I'm going to do now, everything's in place here. I'm going to take the nozzle and I'm going to follow along the break. And that glue is going to wick right into those joints. Now this is instant setting glue, so this should be dry by now. Let's get on here and take the clay off. And we've got one whole soap dish.